Understanding Tuning Guide in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases tuning and guide. These terms can be very useful in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them effectively in English. Let's start by breaking down tuning. In the most general sense, tuning refers to adjusting or fine-tuning something to achieve a desired function or state. It can be used literally, like tuning a musical instrument to the correct pitch, or metaphorically, like tuning your skills to perform better at a task. Moving on to guide. A guide is a person or a piece of information that directs or advises you on a journey or toward a decision. It can be a physical book of instructions, or advice given by a mentor or an expert in a certain field. When we combine these two words, tuning guide usually refers to a set of instructions or advice designed to help adjust or optimize a process, a device, or even personal behavior for the best performance. For example, a tuning guide for a piano would give detailed instructions on how to adjust the strings to achieve the perfect pitch. In different contexts, a tuning guide could mean, in music, a manual for adjusting an instrument. For technology, instructions to calibrate software or hardware. In personal development, tips to improve one's habits or routines. And there we have it, a simple guide to understanding tuning guide. I hope this explanation tunes your English understanding to a whole new level. Don't forget to practice using these phrases in different contexts. See you in the next video.